we will discuss top 3 home remedies for toothache when no medications around. The simplest but effective is a saltwater rinse. By dissolving half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water and swishing it around the mouth for about 30 seconds. Many cases it causes important pain relief. Saltwater also has antimicrobial properties because creates hostile, less favorable environment for bacteria. There's also evidence suggesting that a saline solution rinse can inhibit tooth plaque formation. Additionally, regularly gargled with saltwater 36% reduced chance of developing upper respiratory tract infections like common cold and flu. Gargling with saltwater aids in clearing mucus and debris from the throat, making it harder for pathogens to adhere. In summary, while the strength and range of saltwater's benefits can vary, its role in oral hygiene and potential systemic benefits make it a noteworthy remedy in the absence of traditional medications. Second remedy is clove oil. It has impressive efficacy against toothaches. For instance, a study comparing clove oil and benzocaine against a placebo as topical anesthetics found that clove oil was same effective as benzocaine and considerably more effective than the placebo. The star ingredient here is Eugenol, which has analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. When applied, Eugenol can numb the afflicted area, thus reducing pain. However, Eugenol is robust. An undiluted application can lead to irritation or even chemical burns to the mouth's mucous membranes. Third effective remedy is a garlic. A piece of raw garlic or a dab of garlic oil can be placed directly on the troubled tooth for about 30 minutes. The compound allicin in garlic is recognized for its antimicrobial properties. Its potent antimicrobial activity against oral pathogens are against both bacteria and fungal infections also. Dental caries and periodontal disease, crush a garlic clove and apply the paste to the affected area. Rinse after a few minutes. This can be done daily, but moderation is key to prevent irritation. Oral ulcers, a gentle application of a sliced garlic clove on the ulcer can be beneficial. However, repeated application might lead to irritation. Toothache, a slice of raw garlic or a drop of garlic oil can offer relief when placed on the affected tooth. Limit this to a few times daily, ensuring not to overdo it.